Imagine this for a moment. You have a small workshop, not a factory, not an industrial giant, just a regular space, a warehouse or a hangar. And this workshop consistently brings in $20,000 per month. Sounds like something that's too good to be true? That's exactly what I thought, until I understood how composite rebar production actually works. Let's be honest. Most people believe manufacturing is complicated, that it requires hundreds of thousands of dollars, large teams, engineers, and years of experience. But today, the reality is very different. Composite rebar is a modern alternative to steel. It's lighter, doesn't rust, and isn't affected by moisture, chemicals, or frost. In terms of specific strength, it outperforms steel, and its service life is 2 to 3 times longer. That's why it's increasingly used in the construction of houses, roads, bridges, farms, and industrial facilities. Builders count every dollar. And for them, composites mean savings and reliability. Demand is growing faster than new manufacturers are entering the market. And this is where things get really interesting. To launch a mini composite rebar production, you don't need a factory. Modern equipment is compact. No complex bureaucracy. No high-end technologies that are hard to maintain. The process is automated. An operator controls raw material feeding and product quality. After just a few days of training, people confidently operate the line. Now, let's talk numbers. No fantasies, only reality. One production line can deliver volumes that, under normal workload, generate tens of thousands of dollars in monthly revenue. Even after expenses, logistics, and salaries, a net profit of $20,000 per month is absolutely achievable. Why is it possible to reach profitability so quickly? Because the market is alive. Composite rebar is purchased constantly. This is not a passing trend. It's a construction material that is becoming the standard. And here's one important thing to understand. The biggest mistake is thinking you'll be left alone with the equipment. Construction Innovations doesn't just sell production lines. We deliver equipment anywhere in the world, install and configure it on site, train your staff, and essentially launch the production together with you. It doesn't matter where you are, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, Africa, or the Americas. Geography doesn't matter. The technology works just as reliably in any region. In essence, you get a ready-made business process, from idea to the first meters of finished product, in just a few weeks. And you know what's most important? This is a business where you produce a real product, not courses, not abstract services, not hype, but a material the construction industry needs here and now. Today, many people are looking for easy money, but the easiest businesses in the long run are those with a clear product, stable demand, and proven technology. Composite rebar is exactly such a niche, and those who enter it now are taking market positions before it becomes overcrowded. If you've been thinking about your own production, if you want a business you can touch and calculate in real numbers, this might be the right moment. If you want to know how much you can earn in your region, which equipment fits your goals, and how quickly production can be launched, contact us via the link in the description. We'll explain everything in detail, calculate the figures, and show real examples. Message us, and perhaps this will be the starting point of your own manufacturing business with an income starting from 1.5 million rubles per month.